Calvin Rwanda, standing here at the Council Shop dam site located in Kisumu City, Kenya. As you can see, we have tried to relocate a bit of it, 60,000 tons of it, to Kajulu dam site. We have had challenges. One, at Kajulu dam site, there is a flight path. So birds are expected that they will migrate from here to that point. So that poses a health hazard in terms of transport. Secondly, there are schools. As you can be able to see, there is a supermarket. There is the field. This is the national stadium where young people play. On our behind is a school. So it's a health hazard. And secondly, kids are also staying around, so safety security issues is a major concern. So the question is, we are struggling with is today, if we relocate it somewhere else, will the communities there be able to accept it? And secondly, the management systems there, will it be accepted by the community? So this is a restoration measure. We want to share the challenges and the successes with the world. Thank you.